Hello, little stars. Hello. It's time to jump into the letter J. Big J and little j. Are you ready? Let's go.
I can write uppercase letter J. It curves down low in a happy way. Let's find some words that start with J. Sing along with me today.
J, J, jellyfish. J, 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 jellyfish. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. J, J, jump. J, J, jump. J, J, jet plane. J, J, jet plane.
Oh, I know so many words that begin with letter J. Let's sing and shout them loud and jump into the day. J. I can write a lowercase letter J, a little line and dot. Hooray!
Check, check, jellyfish. Check, check, jellyfish. J, J, juice. J, J, juice. J, J, jam. J, J, jam. J, J,
Jet plane.
J, J,
Jet plane. I know so many words that begin with little j. Let's smile and sing together in a jazzy, jolly way. Wow, you did an amazing job. You learned the letter J, its sound, and so many jazzy words. See you soon for more